Hi, I'm Kasturi, a yoga practitioner and a trainer with the experience of 15 years in yoga practice. At CysterCare, we have created a yoga program focused on women's hormonal level and reproductive health. Physically, this program will increase your flexibility, endurance, appetite, and help you manage your weight better. Mentally, will cleanse your energy and help you with the increased focus, calmness, and peacefulness, which reduces the anxiety and stress level. Most of us wouldn't have any previous experience with yoga or any physical activities, and that's okay. We have made the program for everyone, so even the beginners can learn the positions quickly and perfect the asanas. In this fun-filled program, you will learn a lot. Starting from posture correction to many intermediate asanas such as Navasana and Setubandha asana, which are considered to be the gateway asanas to improve your pelvic health and regulate your periods. At the end of this program, you will not only have attained internal balance but also have become healthy, fit, active, and most importantly, more confident than before. So, this program can be life-changing for women who wants to lose weight and have a healthy lifestyle, manage PCOD, PCOS, along with the thyroid and metabolic disorders. So what are you waiting for? Let's start. This is exclusively for women which have very limited seats, so grab your seats now. And it's completely virtual, so enroll now itself.